Fifth attempt trying to record. So I'm trying this girl a VIP code for 2 ghost tears, and I'm going first. I said, I'll go first, okay? And she said, fine. I said, fine, why? And I don't know what to do. I unfriended her because she scammed someone, but I don't know if she... Okay, I'm scared. I'm really scared, guys. I feel like she's gonna scam me. And I'm like even shaking, even though I didn't send yet. I didn't even send, and I'm shaking already. We've traded before, but she didn't scam me. But we were doing a split trade. She went first. Well, I sent some, and then she sent, and then I sent the rest. And now I'm sending both of them, and then she's sending. So I went first. Okay. If your code doesn't send, I'm just gonna move to a different server if this girl scams me, because she scams me, and then I'm moving to a different server, and you guys can know why. This is the account I'm buying the VIP on if it works. I feel like she's gonna give me like a weak code for some reason. I'm like already getting the shakes. Like whenever I send something very valuable, I'm shaking. Whenever I shake, I get scammed or hacked. Okay, I'm sending. If I get scammed, I'm going to literally like probably cry. Well, they're gone. I just sent both. She's gonna scam me, isn't she? I'm shaking, guys. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Oh my 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 god. Guys, I'm crying right now. I'm about to start crying. Please, oh my gosh, this girl, oh my gosh, everybody's like asking me. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Scam it from her. I'll try it anyway. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. She doesn't skip. Yes, she did. She did, guys. Yes. Oh my gosh, she did, guys. OMG, she did. Okay, I'm posting picture proof. No one believes me, cause she's never scammed me before. She didn't even scam my other account. Okay, that's it. Oh my gosh. OMG. Oh my gosh. I am making proof, you dumb people. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to use this stupid snippy tool thingy. Okay, okay. Anything, guys, anything. Oh my gosh. I'm like, why is my post from 2 days ago scam free in her art book? She's made much more trades than that. Save. This PC. Okay, it's on this PC. I can't post proof because it won't let me. I'm joining a different server. She freaking scammed me. Okay, bye. Bye, Felicia. You're annoying me, and I already tried, but it's not working. God. Oh my gosh. So first of all, bye-bye. Wait, what did she say? I'm not a hater. You can't accuse someone of scamming. What did you mean that, bro? You haven't even traded her. Try trading her. She's gonna block you, lady. Oh my gosh. Of course she ain't replying. She knows that. Thank you everybody so much whoever's helping, because I only have 68 friends and like there's only 22 online. If MSP won't laggy because I'm recording right now. Wait, that's what it was, right? I hope. Gosh, I hate her so much. So much. Did she block me on this account too? Oh crap, that's not it. Yep, I freaking hate her. Guys, I'm gonna go see if my fans actually wrote in her guest book. Let's see. Yes, exactly. Oh my gosh, there's so much accounts after her. Scam free. Nope. No. Scams. Yep. Scam. Scammer. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, let's see. Not rare trading anymore. Quit rare trade. Oh my god. Scammer. Yep, she did it. I might be able to give her Miss Goldie if she gets VIP soon, because I might just give away my account. Oh my gosh. Scammer. Guys, my main. She scammed both. Oh my gosh, she was exposed on YouTube. How dumb of her. Oh my freaking god, I'm about to freaking die. Oh my god. No, I don't want to freaking rare trade after that. Gosh. I don't know. Time it. I know this might sound selfish, but if you move, can I have this account? You don't even care about me? Oh my gosh. What's a server? About to freaking die. I have an account on server. Move to that server so we can keep in touch. What are you doing? That is it for today's video. I'm going to be moving servers because I am done with this stupid server. Everybody's a scammer basically on the server. Any server suggestions, message me. I'm giving this account away for VIP, so message me if you want that. I'm giving it actually away. I have this account and another account that's non-VIP, and then the rare eye account. So message me if you like one. Yeah, thank you everybody. Bye, have a nice day.